Today I'm showing you how to assemble the Specter Shield Metal here in the black version, and I already assembled it. You can like press the button and it turns on. Looks pretty good. And yeah, now I want to like open it to show you how to assemble it back. At first, here are like the openers. We need to like push them to this direction and this one to this direction, then we can open it. We can try to make it with our fingernails, but it is not that easy. Okay, I made it. But it would be possible to like use a screwdriver, but here it's necessary to be very careful because you don't want to make scratches into the metal. Okay, now we can open it. Looks like this. So on the one hand, we have our Specter Shield. Here our Specter developer board. Here I have it like built a little bit different. There are like different options to choose with the screws. In this version, I just have here like the plastic screws, here some what are they called? M3, I'm not sure, 10 millimeters or something. On the other side as well. Here I don't have any for some reason, but it would be possible to have the screws here as well. I tried like different times with different devices, and yeah, the important part is not how it's looking inside, but how it's looking when it's built together, and that there's nothing like wobbling inside if you like turn the device around or something. It would be possible to have the screws here at any direction. Here it's like a little bit different, as it needs to fit here in these holes. I think these doesn't fit, so I have other holes. I bring other screws. I bring them. Yeah, here are the different screws I have, and what work for me are these ones here. I'm going to ship them when I'm selling them. I'm going to send a couple of them with the package, so they should work here. I'm going to demonstrate this. Here I have my screwdriver, electronic, and you can just screw them in. That's not on. Okay, then I need to do it manually. But like I said, in the beginning we didn't had the screws screwed in, so it should not be completely necessary, but I'm wanting to show you how it's working if I put them in. Okay, and then yeah, these both boards are plugged together. Important is, if you didn't already do this, that this jumper here, it's probably not that easy to see. I have another board here to show it to you. The jumper here, this needs to be at the very top position to work properly with the battery inside of the Specter Shield. That's very important. Okay. Now we are going to add our scanner. I'm going to deassemble this as well. Need another just to show you, because you need a screwdriver like this, and then with it you can just go here through the holes and like open the screws, or yeah, close the screws. I think it's very self-explanatory and I'm not going to show it in detail, but of course you need a scanner and 2 screws, and like the holes needs to be on the right direction, of course. Okay, let's put the board together with our cable. So on the one hand we have like our cable here, we have like a little thing we need to put up here, then we can put the cable on with the silver side on the top, put it in, close the bar, or what do we call it. Okay, and then we have like here the same thing, but we need to put the thing here to the front. Then we can put the cable inside, silver side to the top as well. And then we close close it and fix it by pushing this thing down. Okay, now we can just put the case together. Here it is important that this green platine PCB is on the bottom here at this side, as well at this side. Here you can have a look through this hole if it's working or if it's not. And then we need our case top, and here I'm showing it with orange ones because I think it's then easier to show. We have 3 parts and I'm going to show you how we put them into place. At first we need some band here, some, how do you call it, tape, and we need for every piece a little bit of tape. So at first we start here at this bottom and put our on-off switch in place, and here we need to have it in the right direction. So the long side, this one here, with this little, yeah, you can see it, this little tip here, and like the side with more space. This side needs to be put it like this, and that it's like here in this hole at first. So, and then we need to put them in place, and here we can have a look. So it should fit here like this. So on this side the tip here needs to be on the right side, so needs to be like this, and I'm going to tape it in this position now. I now like take 2 tapes for both plates. One here. It's important that it's not going around the edge here, because then it could like be difficult to plug it together, to hold the case, if the tape is in a bad position. Okay. Yeah, let's have a look at again. we have like this position, we need of course have a look at this parts here, that the holes fit to the holes here, and then we put our first part, like I said, on the right direction with this side to looking to us. Then we need to press a little bit that it's holding, and on the other side looking like this. So we need to have it on the very left side. Okay, great. Everything is holding together. And now we can put this together, okay? And here we need to be very carefully because we don't get something yes, falling off. Okay, working very good. Now we can at first like test our button. Hold it here. Press the button. Okay, works pretty good. There's a very important test here. If you hold the device like this, press the button again, everything works, then it's great. But if there's like, because if the plating is not the perfect size, then it could be that if you hold the device like this, that the button doesn't work properly. Now at this point, I think the battery is like not existent anymore. I'm going to wait a little bit after we recharged. Okay, now it recharged a little bit, and I here just quick note, you can see if it's charging when it's like blinking red here, and it's like a small tip here on this side. Okay, we can plug it off and switch the power on. Now everything works, and I can show you what we can do if it would not work. I had a problem with another device. We reopen it here. So just quick note, if everything works, you can just put these to the other side and you're finished. But I want to like speak about the other problem as well. Okay, we open it. Okay, now we lose this part here. Need to put it in again. Okay, but the thing is, if everything here is like it's fitting not good and it's wobbling too much, then you can put some tape on the other side, like here. You can put some tape here and some tape a little bit lower, like here, especially like we don't have to make it this big, even this big, just like a little bit, that the PCB, the green PCB, gets a little bit thicker. Yeah, that's like a problem if because the PCB is not cut it every time perfectly, I think. I'm not sure, I didn't know how they are built exactly, but this was like my impression. Make it like this, and now you could like put it together again, everything stays the same. And now if in the beginning it was a problem to press the button correctly, now it shouldn't be a problem and everything should be good. And another point, if like the button here would wobble, if you like put the device like this, then this tape here on this side would fix this issue as well. Okay, thanks for hearing me. I think now you should have a good device, pretty good working. And if you have any questions regarding the assembling of the Specter Shield metal board, then yeah, just put them in the comments and I'm going to answer them. Thank you.